C. Start here. Make a curved line to here. D. Start here.
One more, sweetheart.
Straight down.
Come on, one more gift. One more gift. Hey,
No.
one more gift.
Oh.
Oh.
Is that one heavy?
I got it.
You got it.
Good.
What is it?
There we go.
No.
What is it?
No. Clubhouse.
It's a clubhouse.
I want this one.
And it's yours.
It is. It's inside the box, Crippen.
Daddy's gonna get it out for you. The Mickey kitchen. Right next to that one toy.
What's writing?
You want Mommy to open that for you?
Line straight down.
Yeah. I'll open
Next,
it.
make a curved line